Welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the volume styles. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now just open the app, and here on the right upper corner tap to start. Now just tap here on the switcher, go here to the volume styles section, and here to use the volume styles app just tap once on the switcher, click to allow, here click yes I agree, and here right now you can select one from these available new volume panels. For example, we'll try the wave one. Now just we'll check. Yes, can you see we got here our new volume panels really close to this one. Also we got here the, for example, the Realme one. Now just we'll check that. Yes, can you see that's really close. If you want, you can select another one, and now just if you want to change to your default volume panel, tap here to the start on the right upper corner, and as can you see we got here our just regular volume panel. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.